Give Solar is a nonprofit organization that has been going since 2018. I started partnering with Habitat for Humanity here in Virginia in 2020. And one thing has led to another, and now we have created a national solar program. We are trying to make solar accessible to people who have historically not been able to afford the upfront cost of solar. And the reason for that is that electricity prices are going through the roof. And the people who can't afford electricity the most are low-income people. 10% of their monthly income goes towards electricity bills. And so as prices rise, they're the ones who are most impacted by rising electricity rates. If they have high electricity bills, they will sometimes forego like food, shelter, the basics. So by installing solar, we're helping to ensure that they can make ends meet and pay for these other essentials. So here in Virginia, we're installing solar systems that have typically 12 solar panels, and they are 5 kilowatts in size. So people who have a 5 kilowatt system on their house, they're saving on average about $75 a month on their electric bills. I think it makes a noticeable difference when we talk to Habitat family members. They are so excited that they can have extra money. The long-term impact is that these solar systems are going to save them $25,000 or $30,000 over the lifetime of the solar system, and that adds up. Families who go through the Habitat program are first-time home buyers. So there's a lot of new things about living in a Habitat home, and there's a lot of challenges. And solar, I think, just eases a lot of those growing pains because it's reducing their monthly expenses and making it more likely that they're going to be successful as homeowners. We're installing systems, we're collecting data about how the systems are performing, and we're showing that families are much better off with solar than without. People can get involved by volunteering on a solar installation. We also have great opportunities for philanthropists and donors to get involved, and people who want to make a big impact on the lives of families who are first-generation homeowners. We're intentionally cultivating donors that are concerned about the environment, but they're also concerned about social justice. They're concerned about low-income families and making sure that they can get by. I think it's just a great opportunity for people who are concerned about the future of our planet and want to help people at the same time. In the next 5 years, our goal is to install 10,000 solar systems across the country. I really think it's doable, and I think that donors and volunteers and Habitat as an organization, everyone is stepping up to meet the challenge, and I'm just super excited about where this is going.